everyone, and welcome back to our channel. While we're on the topic of April showers, we wanted to talk about something super important for staying safe on those wet roads: your tires! We all know that rain can make things a little slick out there. Today we're diving into why your tire tread is absolutely key for maintaining control when the clouds open up. We'll show you how to check if your tires are up for the challenge and what kind of tires might be best for that unpredictable Pennsylvania weather. Think of your tire treads as the grooves underneath your rain boot. They're designed to grip the surface and push water out of the way. When your tire depth is good, it creates channels that whisk away water away from where your tires meet the road. This gives you the crucial traction that you need to steer, brake, and accelerate your car safely. But as your tires wear down, the grooves get shallower. Less grooves means less ability to channel water. And that's when things get risky. You could experience hydroplaning, where your tires literally ride on top of a thin film of water. Go look at our last video. And you lose all control. No fun. For a more precise measurement, you can use a tread depth gauge. These are inexpensive and give you a precise measurement down to the 32nd of an inch. The legal minimum tire tread here in Pennsylvania is 2/32 of an inch. However, for good wet weather performance and to really minimize the risk of hydroplaning, we recommend having at least 4/32 of an inch tread. Here's another handy tip. Most modern tires have wear indicators built right into the tread. These are little raised bars at the bottom of the grooves. When your tire tread wears down and becomes level with these bars, it means you have reached that 2/32 of an inch marker. It's definitely time for a tire replacement now. Make it a habit to check your tire pressure regularly, especially with those spring temperature swings that are now here. Your owner's manual or the sticker on the driver's side door panel will tell you the correct PSI that's recommended for your vehicle. And trust me, investing in a good tire pressure gauge is well worth its weight in gold for your safety and tire life. Speaking of tire life, let's talk about tire rotation. Rotating your tires helps them wear evenly. This not only makes your tires last longer, but it also helps maintain consistent traction on all four wheels, which is super important in the rain. Check your owner's manual for recommended tire rotation schedules. Or better yet, our team at Myles, Birdsboro, Reading, Sinking Spring, and Wyomissing can take care of it for you. Finally, let's touch on tire types. Here in Southeast PA, we see all kinds of weather. All-season tires are designed to give you a decent grip in a variety of conditions, including light rain and even some snow. They're a popular choice for year-round driving. But if you're really concerned about maximizing your wet weather safety, you might consider rain-specific tires. These have specialized tread patterns and rubber compounds that are engineered to provide super traction in heavy rain. So as those April showers continue here in Berks County, Pennsylvania, take a few minutes to check your own tire tread depth. It could make all the difference in keeping you and your family safe in your car. If you have any questions or think that it might be time for you to have some new tires put on your vehicle, stop in any of our 4 Myles locations in Reading, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, and Wyomissing, and our team will be happy to help you out. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.